Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joyce, and in today's video we're gonna talk about how you can schedule a Facebook post, and this is going to be specifically for the Facebook group. So if you're interested in this, please keep on watching. So let's get started. Okay, so recently I've been creating some tutorials regarding Facebook, just about how you can create a Facebook page, how you can create a Facebook group, how you can archive or delete one of those that I just mentioned. And I will be creating some more tutorials regarding Facebook groups and Facebook pages, how you can do some other things. So if you're interested in this content, please make sure that you hit that subscribe button down below. In this video, I'm going to be showing how you can specifically schedule posts in your Facebook group. Let's go now to my computer. I will go to my group that it's called Entrepreneur Mommy Community. So this is a private group, it's a small group, and I'm going to go and schedule a post. Because today it's Tuesday, I'm going to be scheduling the post for my YouTube video that's going to be live for tomorrow. So I am going to create a post. Okay, so now I just wrote my post. I'm gonna be adding the link later and the thumbnail. So I'm going to just click on this calendar right here. I'm gonna click on schedule post, and I'm going to go and schedule it for tomorrow. Select the date here and then select the time. You can either scroll down or just type the time that you want to add here, and then just click on this schedule button. Click here and it's done. Now you can see here that it says your post is scheduled. Now if you want to go and look at where your posts go and you want to edit later, you can go here on schedule posts, and then you can see that it is here, and you can either reschedule it or you can decide to post now. You can also edit it here and change anything on your text. You can add a post topic, or you can either delete it, or here's some other options that you can choose from. So these are where your scheduled posts go. Okay, it will be here on the left menu, and it is just under post topics, schedule posts. And just to mention that I'm using the new version of Facebook, and this is what my group looks like. Some other groups might be different. I'm gonna show you another variant here from a different group. If I go here and I go to this group, you can see your scheduled posts here, and this is as simple as that. You just schedule your posts on Facebook group. I hope you find this video useful, and if you do, please don't forget to click on the like button and on the subscribe button down below. Thank you so much for watching, and see you the next time. Bye bye.